Hello world, my name is Mohit Deshpande, and in this course we'll be learning all about plotting. So plotting is a fundamental aspect of doing any kind of data science, or really just science in general. It's the ability to take your data and present it in a nice, clean way that's easy for people to understand. So you see here we have different kinds of plots, and these are all using different plotting libraries that we're going to be learning about. So the three big plotting libraries that are out there that we're going to be discussing is Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Bokeh. And all of them provide different advantages as to how you want to display your data, and they provide very nice APIs for you to just consume it. They just consume your data and then present a very nice looking plot that's completely customizable. So this is what we're going to be learning. We're going to be learning the APIs of these libraries, as well as how to create beautiful plots with all of these libraries. We've been making courses since 2012, and we're super excited to have you on board. Online courses are a fantastic way to learn new skills, and I take a lot of online courses myself. Zenva courses consist mainly of video lessons that you can watch at your own pace as many times as you want. You can always go back and rewatch videos as many times as you want. We also have downloadable source code and project files and data, and they contain everything that we'll be building in the lessons. It's highly recommended that you code along with me. In my experience, it's the best way to learn something is to get your feet wet, get your hands dirty with the code. So coding along with me will really help you get a good understanding of the code and what's going on. And lastly, we notice that students who get the most out of these online courses are the same students who make some kind of weekly plan or a schedule and stick with it, depending, of course, on your own availability and learning style. So over the past 8 years or so, Zenva has taught all different kinds of topics on programming and game development to over 300,000 students, and this is across about 100 courses. And the skills that they've learned in these courses are completely transferable to other domains as well. In fact, some of these students have used the skills that they've learned in these courses to advance their own careers, to start a company, or publish their own content from the skills that they've learned. Thanks for joining, and I look forward to seeing all the cool stuff that you'll be building. Now, without further ado, let's get started.